Aroy. Very good. My 4 cups. Very good. Oh, I can hear the neighbor. They start with the lawnmower. They cut the grass. I did already. Yeah, 2 days ago. Now relaxing, dressing nice around the swimming pool here. So relaxing. Enjoy myself. Yeah. So I'm gonna miss here. Yeah. Ah, home sweet home. Yeah. Love my home. I do make a video just for thinking when I be away from the house, so gonna miss here everything. Miss my friends, miss my guests when they come. So I'm not here. Gonna be away for 6 months. Hope I can be there 6 months, but my ticket is 6 months. Really, yeah. I hope my paper will be okay, everything okay, so I can come back fast. Maybe I'm gonna be away from Facebook little bit because it takes so much time to sit there, and yeah, I always turn on my computer and then do thing around a little bit and come back to my computer. Yeah, and post some posts in it. It's very hot, very hot, very hot here. So I hope the cloud will, yeah, over for the sun. Yeah, yeah, start already. I see that. Oh, good. I just talking about it. It's coming. Oh, love it. So I'm gonna sit here for a while, relaxing. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you later again with another video. Love wanders inside, stronger than you, stronger than I, and now. Okay, just for that.